Hello friends, welcome to ElectroPixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hi friends, once again welcome back to yet another vlogs of ElectroPixels. Today in this video we are going to repair this Samsung 32-inch LED TV. Here in this TV the complaint is blank screen fault as we discussed earlier. The reason for this fault is mainly because of internal shorting in Gatesignals inside the glass panel. The shorting may be either from the left side or right side of the glass panel. Here this TV comes with a single COF SM4186 Dc. Due to internal shorting, this IC doesn't produce any type of basic panel voltages. Because of that, display become blank. Here first we are going to cut down the right side Gatesignals. If picture is okay, then do nothing. If picture is not okay, then rejoin cutted tracks, then cut down the left side Gatesignals. If both side panel Gatesignals short, then it's not repairable. Always remember that this is just only temporary solution. Permanent solution is panel replacement. See friends, now picture comes and the TV is repaired successfully. So that's it. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.